Looking for an intercom system that keeps you connected with your riding group without missing a beat? The Sena 20S Evo promises just that: clear, reliable communication up to 2 kilometers away, so you can focus on the road while staying in touch with up to 8 other riders. Whether you're cruising solo or rolling with friends, this device elevates your ride experience with crisp HD audio and a design built for every condition. I started using the 20S Evo about a year ago, initially drawn by its music streaming features. What surprised me most was how effortless it made chatting with my riding buddies during group outings. The simple shake-to-pair function means I can connect my Bluetooth devices in seconds. No fumbling, no hassle. Even when the terrain gets tricky and hills interfere with signals, the 20S Evo holds strong. Its sleek new antenna design and upgraded hardware boost intercom stability, ensuring I don't lose touch when it matters most. Plus, with 13 hours of talk time and a temperature range from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, it's built to handle long rides in all kinds of weather. If you want a dependable intercom that's easy to use and delivers crystal clear sound, the Sena 20S Evo is worth a look. It's not just about staying connected, it's about riding smarter and safer. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your communication game and enjoy every mile with confidence.